Hello everyone and welcome to the AR world and welcome to the very first video of Quiz Wars 2021. And today I have with me Vanshika Sharma and today we have the match between bio and politics. The topic for the day is botany versus constitution. So before starting, let me explain you the rules. There will be 10 questions on each side. I will be answering 10 questions of politics, and Vanshika would be answering 10 questions of biology. And the topic is botany and constitution for today. So, we have divided questions according to the difficulty level into three levels. Level one, which is going to be easy level two, medium level, and level three, difficult level. So, level wise, we are going to have the questions, and after that, we are going to have the result. So, Vanshika, are you ready?
Yes, Anush, I'm ready.
Okay, so Vanshika, first you have to answer my questions, my first
Okay.
level of three questions, then I'll be answering your questions. So shall we start?
Yes.
Okay, so first question is on your screen. Okay, so this is level one for Vanshika, and Vanshika, first question is this on your screen. Okay, so question one is that which of the following part of the plant is essential for exchange of gases? Option A, stomata. Option B, epidermis. Option C, chlorophyll, or option D, both A and B? What do you think?
I think option B, both A and B.
So both stomata and epidermis are essential for exchange of gases.
Yes, I think so.
Are you sure?
Okay, I'm sure.
So shall we lock option D, both A and B?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm locking option D and it's wrong. The answer is stomata.
I was actually confused on A and B.
Actually, epidermis is the outermost layer, but it is just for the
Yes, yes, yes.
protection. The
Yeah, that is
stomata are
what
the
I was
tiny
thinking.
pores. So your first question is
Yeah.
wrong. But don't worry, we have a
Okay.
lot of questions. Okay. Question two. In which of the following groups do algae fall into? Option A, Bryophyta. Option B, Thallophyta. Option C, Gymnosperms. Or option D, none of the above.
I think option C. Um, Option A
Bryophyta.
might be, or C.
Are you sure?
I don't know. Okay, A.
Bryophyta.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see if it's correct. And it's wrong. The answer is Thallophyta.
Okay.
Thallophyta is a group in which fungi are there. Okay, so it's okay. We have one more question of level one. Okay, don't worry. Question number three is which of the following organelle in a plant cell is responsible for cellular respiration? Option A, endoplasmic reticulum. Option B, centrioles. Option C, mitochondria. Option D, plastids. What do you think?
Endoplasmic reticulum, I think. Cellular respiration, right? Mitochondria or endoplasmic reticulum.
What do you think?
Mm,
Okay, Vanchika, so what should be the answer according to you?
I think C, mitochondria.
Should I lock it? Okay, so let's lock option C. And this is correct. So this time you have answered it correctly. Congratulations.
So I was able to answer only one question in the first level. Now let's see how many do Amirish do.
Yeah,
So
I'm
should we start,
excited.
Amirish?
Yeah,
Are you
Vanshika,
ready?
yeah, I'm ready.
So the first question is, when was the Indian Constituent Assembly made? 6th December 1945, B 12 December 1946, C 6th December 1946, and D 12 December 1945.
I think I'm confused between because they are like similar. What?
Yeah, I've kept that to confuse you.
Um, really, I'm quite. I did not read this part correctly. Uh, is it 6th December 1945? A.
Are you sure with it?
uh, I'm really not sure.
So
Okay, you
it's
can
your
lock A.
sure.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm locking A, and the correct answer is C. So sad.
So the answer was 6th
Really
December
sad. So the
1946.
answer was 6th December 1946. This was when the Indian Constituent Assembly was made.
Okay.
Okay. So should we move on to the second question?
Yeah. I think level 1 is only giving us the stress.
Yeah. The second question is, how many days were taken to develop the Indian Constitution? A, 160 days, B, 164 days, C, 169 days, and D, 165 days.
This is also quite confusing. Um,
I've kept all the options really close to the correct answer.
um, but my first answer got wrong. Now that's why when our first answer gets wrong, then we get demotivated. Like
Yeah, that
that
was
you,
what I thought.
and I was also confused between A and C. 6th December was correct in the previous question because
6th
I
December
read.
was correct.
I think
Now,
I read in that Wikipedia it was written, so I got confused between the 2 years, and this is
yeah.
also very much confusing. Um, okay, I think that it should be D, 165 days.
Are you sure with it?
Yeah,
Lock किया जाए?
yes.
Nice. Your answer was correct. Congratulations. It was the correct answer D.
Yeah, 165
165
na?
days. Yeah.
I
So
think
our
I read
constituent
this.
assembly took 165 days to make the
Hmm.
Indian constitution. Yeah.
Okay.
Moving on to the third question. Who was the chairman of the drafting committee? A. Jawaharlal Nehru, B. B.R. Ambedkar, C. Rajendra Prasad, and D. Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
I think the chairman was B.R. Ambedkar, according to me.
Are you sure with it?
Yeah, because Rajendra Prasad was the first president and Jawaharlal Nehru first prime minister, and Atal Bihari was not there at that time. So I think B.R. Ambedkar.
Sure.
Yeah.
So your answer is correct actually. It was
Yes.
B.R. Ambedkar only.
Yeah.
He was the chairman of the drafting committee.
Okay, I
So-
knew this.
So we've got two, right? Yeah, two questions correct
Yeah.
in first level,
First
and I
level.
got only one. I'm moving in that way.
Yeah, I am ahead,
Yeah.
10 points ahead. So I could answer 2 questions correctly out of 3 in level 1, and Vanshika could answer only 1 question. So Vanshika is lagging behind, but let's see what happens in level 2.
I'm lagging
Are you
behind 1
ready?
point.
Yeah. Are
Yeah,
you
I'm
ready? Okay, question number 4.
Yeah.
A fruit is green when unripe, but becomes beautifully colored when ripe. What is the reason behind this change? Option A, chromoplasts change into chloroplasts. Option B, chloroplasts change into chromoplasts. Option C, chloroplasts change to leucoplasts. Or option D, both A and C. So what do you think?
Oh, okay. I no. It would be one from B or C, but which one? Chloroplast, chromoplast, leucoplast. I think B.
Chloroplasts change to chromoplasts.
Yeah, I think B.
So should I lock it?
Yeah, lock it.
Okay, let's see if it's correct. Option B. Yeah, and this is the correct answer.
Okay,
So,
correct.
you have got your first answer
The
correct
mid-
of level 2. Yeah. Let's see
Okay.
question number 5. Yes. Question number 5 is the chemical used for destroying fungi in water tanks is what? Option A, nitric acid. Option B, zinc sulfate. Option C, magnesium sulfate. Or option D, copper sulfate. What do you think? What is the chemical?
Nitric acid, I think.
Nitric acid.
Yeah,
Are you
I
sure?
think. Okay, sure.
Okay, so let's log option A, which is nitric acid. And unfortunately, it's wrong. It's copper sulfate, CuSO4. So your fifth question,
Yeah,
fifth
I was
question is wrong.
confused. I knew ki zinc sulfate would not be the answer,
Hmm.
but I was confused with these three.
Yeah, this only happened with me in the first one. That 6th December and all. I was also confused. Okay, let's move ahead. Question number 6, which is the second last question of this level. Which of the following is not a component of chlorophyll? Option A,
Okay.
calcium. Option B, carbon. Option C, magnesium. Or option D, hydrogen. What do you think?
Carbon, I think, but I'm not sure with it.
Not a component of chlorophyll.
Magnesium or hydrogen? Or calcium? Calcium. Because
Tell me,
calcium. Calcium.
should I lock it?
Yeah, you should.
Okay, so let's lock option A, calcium, and it is the correct answer. So you
Okay,
got it
because I
right
knew
because
it's
carbon, magnesium, and
it's
hydrogen
present
are
in
there.
bones.
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah, calcium is present in bones. That's why I said calcium.
Yeah, and it was correct also. How can calcium be present in plants? Hello.
Yeah.
Let's move to the last question of this level for you.
Last question.
Level 2. Let's see if you get full marks for this question. Question number 7 is what do green plants absorb and release in photosynthesis? Option A, carbon dioxide, oxygen. Option B, oxygen, carbon dioxide. Option C, nitrogen, oxygen. Option D, oxygen, nitrogen. What do you think?
In photosynthesis.
Yeah. What do they absorb and release? Little bit confusing, I think.
Yes.
Because we know, but two things are together. So first we need to look for the order also.
Yeah. I think A. Carbon dioxide and oxygen.
Is it correct? Sorry, should I lock it?
I think. Okay, let's see what the correct answer.
Okay, so let's lock option A, carbon dioxide, oxygen. And yes, it is the correct answer.
I
Plants
knew that.
absorb CO2 gas and oxygen is the byproduct.
That's
That
why
is-
we need
yeah.
to. We should plant trees.
Yeah, so that's why it is correct.
Okay, so I have answered 3 questions correct out of 4. Amirish, do you think you would be able to beat me, or actually I would be able to beat the difference right now?
Let's see what happens because level 2 is of 20 points each question and level 1 it was of 10 points. So I think,
Yeah, so
yeah, let's see, but level
I have
3 will
70
determine.
points now.
Yeah,
Okay, let's see.
and
So
I'm having 20 right now.
So the first question of the second level,
Yeah,
or the fourth question of the complete quiz is, who wrote the Indian Constitution? First, Prem Bihari Narendrazada. Second, B, I mean, Jawaharlal Nehru. C, Rajendra Prasad. Or D, Atal Bihari Vajpayee.
Who wrote the Indian Constitution?
Who wrote?
But only one person writes or a group writes?
Writing means who wrote it by hand. The writing work was done by.
Acha, because Constitution was framed by many people, but only one person wrote that.
One could write, na? Right.
Acha, yeah, because earlier printing was not there, I think, hai na, during that time.
Our constitution is handwritten.
Yeah, with a lot of articles, and I am very much weak at remembering those articles. I think the answer should be A, Prem Bihari, Narayan Rehzada, because these three, I think they were like related, they were in the politics, but not in the constitutional design of the country. So A, you can lock.
Are you sure with it?
Yeah.
May I lock it?
Hmm.
So your answer is correct. Congratulations.
Oh, yes.
Actually, in this, the options are too easy, right?
Yeah, if the options would be like, these were the repetitive options, like Jawaharlal Nehru,
Yeah.
Prime Minister. Yeah.
Okay. Can you please pause for once? Start recording. Okay, so now we are going to the next question, which is fifth of the whole quiz, but second of the second level. So the question is, how many articles are there in our Indian Constitution? First one is 392 articles, B 396 articles, C 394 articles, or D 395 articles.
This is very much confusing. And I told that in articles, I really do not remember. But I think I have confusion between 392 and 395, A and D.
Okay.
But I cannot lock both of them otherwise. And I cannot get any lifeline also.
Yeah, you don't have them. You should have told me about it then.
No, then it would have been easier, but this is wars, quiz wars. Means okay,
So
you can lock option A, 392. According
You're
to
sure
me.
with it?
Yeah, please lock
You're
it.
sure with it?
Yes, I have said.
So sadly, your prediction is really, really bad. It was D. The correct answer was D, 395
Arre
articles.
yaar. I
So
said I
Indian
was
Constitution have
having
395 articles, and you chose the wrong part in your dilemma.
Yes, I was thinking only 395, and somewhere I read this when I was going through Wikipedia.
Yeah.
Hello,
So
it's okay.
let's move on to the sixth question of the quiz and third question of the second level. Are you ready?
Yeah. Little
Okay,
bit
so
nervous.
it is which fundamental right is added recently? First, the right to equality, B, right to property, C, right to privacy, and D, right to protest.
I think right to equality was there since when India got independent, and right to property. I never heard of this right. This is really very much confusing. If I did not answer, then I'll lag behind. I have to answer it correctly.
You will actually lag behind.
Yeah.
Anything happens.
Then in level 3, I think more difficult questions will be there. If this is I'm confused between protest and privacy.
Okay, so
but
which
earlier
one is
also
the correct
people used to protest.
I don't know. You just speak. Which one is the correct?
Like, okay, I think that right to privacy.
Lock kiya jaye? Should we lock it?
10 seconds. Let me just think once more.
Okay, think. Think.
Protest, I think, because privacy.
You're sure with it? May I lock it?
Every option is like correct only. I'm not able to understand this question.
Okay, so
protest, right to protest.
Sure with it?
Yeah, D.
Your answer is wrong. Again, you are in a dilemma and you chose the wrong path. It was right to privacy, and actually there is. I don't think there is a right called right to protest. It's right to speech and expression.
Actually, I was.
So
how right to privacy?
Right to property was denied in 1948. I think, I'm not sure about it. And right to privacy just got the fundamental right. I mean, recently, not just.
So I got just it wrong.
years.
I think I'm able to
Recent
choose
years,
two
yes.
options correctly, and after in that dilemma, always I get wrong.
Yeah, and after in that dilemma, you got it wrong.
Yeah.
Actually, this is happening from two.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
so
yeah,
may I
yeah.
start?
Next
Third
question.
question of the last question, right?
Of this
Yeah,
level.
last question of the
Second
second
level.
level. How many constitutional rights are there? 32 amendments, 33 amendments, 35 amendments, or 30 amendments?
What? How many constitutional rights or amendments?
Rights, I mean
Huh?
amendments. They are actually the same. They are actually the same. How many times the constitutional rights are amended? How many? How many?
I'm little bit confused.
Again, you're in a dilemma of two.
Nay, right now I'm in the dilemma of 4.
4? Oh my god.
Like all
Means
of them
you
are.
don't know. Yeah, you feel all of them are correct, right?
I feel that like all of them are. It's very much confusing.
Answer. What do you feel? Just answer one question, one part. I mean, one option.
I'm thinking 35 or 32. Now again dilemma. So
Again
this
in a
time
dilemma.
I'll give a hat trick of dilemmas now if this happens.
Yeah, you're gonna do that.
But how can you help? Please help me.
I can't help.
I think that you are going to win if I continue this. But
Okay, so which is the
according
correct
to
answer? What do you feel?
me, 35. See,
Sure with it?
yeah,
May I lock it?
yeah. Is
You
it wrong?
again right. This time your dilemma was right, wrong.
Then what is the correct answer?
It's 33 amendments. 33
Arre,
amendments are made in our constitution.
Again,
This
wrong.
time your whole dilemma was wrong.
Acha, earlier my dilemma used to be right, not 2 options.
Yeah. Just a second.
Okay, so unfortunately, I could only answer one question correctly in level 2. And now Vanchika is ahead of me, but this level 3 is going to decide who will win this first match. So Vanchika, are you ready for the very first question of level 3?
Yeah.
And the 8th
Yeah, I'm
question.
ready.
Now this is a little bit tricky. Find the incorrect statement. Option A, a plant which reproduces by means of spores is fern. Option B, the floral part that produces pollen grains is anther. Option C, yellow spots on citrus leaves is due to deficiency of sodium. Or option D, tannin is widely used in leather industry. What do you think? Which one is incorrect?
Now I am a dilemma of A and C.
But your luck can shine.
I think A.
Should I lock it?
I'm not sure, but okay, you can go ahead.
A.
Listen. If it goes wrong, will you consider C?
See, you also, then I
Okay.
also want half points, 10 points in that round.
Okay, I was just kidding. I was
Yeah.
just kidding.
I was also kidding only.
A.
Okay, so let's log option A, a plant which reproduces by means of spores is fern. And your answer is wrong. It is yellow spots on citrus leaves is due to the deficiency of sodium. So your dilemma was correct. Like
my
mine.
dilemma, no, the path I chose in my dilemma was wrong.
Yeah, but it's fine because this was level 3 is like this only. And now I have gained some confidence because definitely fern reproduces by the means of spores. Yes, and this was wrong. So question 9 for you.
I was confused with this.
Ram went to visit his grandparents. They had a beautiful garden. There, his grandfather asked him about tissues. He couldn't name 3 of the tissues out of 5. The 3 questions were the tissue which is responsible for providing flexibility, B, the tissues which transport water and food, C, the tissue which has suberin deposition in its cell wall. So can you help Ram? Will you help him? Huh?
I would have to. I would
Okay.
have to.
Now let's see.
What
See,
is
Ram
this
doesn't know.
question? I would have to.
See, these three questions are there which Ram couldn't answer, so you have to answer them. And the options are here. Option A, parenchyma, xylem, sclerenchyma. Option B, collenchyma, conductive tissues, sclerenchyma. Option C, collenchyma, vascular tissues, cork. Or option D, collenchyma, phloem, cork. What do you think?
Can you please again show me the three questions?
Yeah, you can just write them down in a notebook, and then you can just tell me,
Just a second.
so that again and again I
Hmm.
don't have to change the slide.
Okay, just wait.
Okay, so Vanshika, now have you seen the questions?
Yeah, I've seen that.
Okay, so the options are these.
Tissue which is responsible for providing
What do you think?
flexibility. Just a second. I think that answer D is correct.
Collenchyma, phloem,
no,
and
no,
cork,
No,
or what?
no. I am confused with A and D.
This is little bit tricky, na?
Yeah, because in xylem and phloem, one of them goes up and one of them goes down.
See, right now I cannot help. I know the answer, but I cannot help. So you only have to think. Now are you understanding
You're
how
too
I
bad.
suffered in the dilemma 3 times?
Yeah,
Uh,
this was really bad.
that's why this
Can
level
I
is
get 2
different.
minutes, please?
Yeah, sure. You can think.
Food and water both, right?
See, I cannot say right or wrong. You just tell me the option after matching. You can use the elimination method. That is why MCQ is better. Ui. Huh.
What happened?
Nothing. You can just see. You
Yeah,
can. What do you think?
I think one from I think the correct answer.
What do you think?
I think D would be the correct answer because xylem only transports water from the roots. You can't get food from the roots, right?
You don't give me the explanation, just give me the answer. What do you think?
I think D.
So shall we lock it? Option D, which is collenchyma, phloem, and cork. Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay, so let's
Yes.
lock it. What do you think?
I don't know. I think it would be correct or wrong. Just two options I have.
Yeah, I also had 2 options only, and it is wrong. The answer is collenchyma, vascular tissues, and cork.
Means
Because
I was saying correct in the starting.
it is written the tissues which transport
Means
water and food both.
firstly
And
I was
both.
yeah. I answered for the first time. Then I got confused.
Yeah, so this should only be the correct answer because vascular tissues are both xylem and phloem.
Okay.
And cork has suberrant deposition and collenchyma provides flexibility.
Oh my god.
So it was wrong and I have got the hope now.
Okay, I knew
Okay.
that.
So last question for botany for today's match.
You're too bad. You also
Hmm.
have to mark that wrong, okay?
Okay. So the question is, last question of botany. What are the characteristics of organisms in the kingdom Plantae and fungi? Option A, fungi, autotrophic, multicellular. Okay, so option B is this, plants, autotrophic, multicellular. Then option C we have is this, fungi, heterotrophic, multicellular. And option D, both B and C. So what do you think is the correct answer?
I think C is the correct answer. It's very
Fungi,
confusing.
heterotrophic, and multicellular. This is
I
your
don't know.
answer.
I'm really confused with it.
What is your dilemma this
I
time?
think B or C?
Acha. Tell me.
Okay, let's go with B.
Plants autotrophic multicellular.
Yeah.
So let's lock option B, plants autotrophic multicellular. Now I'll be telling you the answer and you would be in shock because it is.
It's wrong. Right?
Yes, the answer is both B and C. Because yeah, actually if we see according to subjective part, it's right because plants are autotrophic and multicellular, but fungi.
Yeah, so it's right.
No, but this was was also right because fungi are heterotrophic. That's why they have been categorized differently. Yes, otherwise they would be in one of the
But
kingdoms.
how
only.
could fungi be autotrophic and heterotrophic both? That is what I thought. Actually.
No, this was option A.
But
This is a
okay.
different option. This is a different option. This is a different
Yeah,
perspective. Okay, so
yeah. Okay.
you got all your answers wrong in level 3. I think it was a little bit difficult.
A lot much.
Yeah, let's see what I do.
Unfortunately, I wasn't able to answer any one of the questions. But my questions aren't too easy. Amresh, get ready.
Yeah.
Okay.
I am very
Fasten your
much ready.
seatbelts.
Okay.
Okay, now I'm starting.
Hmm.
So the 8th question of the quiz and first question of the third.
Level.
This is it coming? Yes. Who amongst the following said that the preamble of Indian Constitution is the keynote of the Constitution? First, Ibn Bakr. Second, B. Jawaharlal Nehru. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and C. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and D. Nelson Mandela.
What is this? I never heard this statement. It was
This
like when you
statement
saw
is
that
that-
question, na? Which question was mine? That 8th one? I actually forgot.
Yeah. Actually, I'm really sorry with it because here I have to write the preamble is the keynote of. Shit.
Arre, what happened?
Just a second, wait. Don't see the answers at all. Okay, so what do you think should be the answer?
I am again in a dilemma
Yes,
between
what is your
Ernest
dilemma?
Baker and Nelson Mandela because these were Indian people only, so they will not say anything. But I think Nelson Mandela,
These
South
were Indian
Africa,
people only.
South Africa got freedom later on. So
Yeah.
I think option A, Ernest Barker. You should lock.
Are you sure with it?
Yeah.
Are you sure with it?
I'm sure.
Should I
Because-
lock it?
Yeah,
No,
because
you're not
others
sure.
I'm not finding them appropriate according to the question.
Okay, so are you sure with option A?
Haha,
Ernest
please
Barker?
please lock it.
Okay, so good, your answer is correct. Actually.
Yes.
Oh my god.
Okay, it's correct. I was not expecting.
So the second question of the third level
Okay.
is the language of the preamble of Indian Constitution is taken up from the Constitution of A. America, B. Canada, C. Austria, and D. Australia.
This is very, very easy, I think. The language is
so
English. So America.
Yeah, so
America.
are you sure with it?
Yes, sure.
Are you sure with it? May I lock it?
But Australia, wait 1 second. Australia also has English only.
So I'm locking it. I'm locking A.
1 second.
Okay,
Let me think.
take it.
Canada. I think Canada and Austria and America all have English only as their languages.
All have English only, Amrish. That is why it is a little bit.
And that's why it's in level 3. Austria is
Now it
not
depends
there.
upon-
I have dilemma between America and Australia. What to do? Okay, America.
Okay, good to go. I'm locking America And your dilemma again is wrong. The correct answer was D, Australia.
Arre, yeah. Again and again, my dilemma gets wrong.
Yeah. Okay, so the last question of the whole quiz.
Yeah.
Okay, so this question was also wrong, but I'm really sorry for this. America, it should be America, but there is a typing mistake.
Okay, okay.
Okay, sorry. So now the last question. Let's see what do you
Of the
score
quiz
it.
and of the level also, level 3. And both.
Yeah, God, please save me.
Let's see. Last question.
Which right cannot be suspended?
Okay.
A, right to freedom. B, right to life and personal liberty. C, right to secularism. And D, right to speech and expression. What do you think?
Oh, I know now. Now dilemma won't work in the last question.
This is the last question. Please say it wrong. Please state the answer wrong.
1 second. Freedom. All rights are very important for life.
I don't know. They cannot be suspended or not.
What is this now? I'm confused
Which
between
one of
A
these
and D.
cannot be suspended?
A and D. Freedom and speech and
Okay.
expression.
Okay.
Uh,
Okay. So now speak. Which should be the correct one?
I am thinking D.
You're again in
Speech
a
and
dilemma.
expression.
Are you sure with it?
1 minute. Let me think. 1 minute. Life and personal liberty is not there. Secularism also. Secularism, no. Yeah, both are important. Freedom and speech and expression.
Fatafat say it. Quick. Be quick in it. It's the last question.
Okay, let's
Then you
lock
would see
option
which was
D. Option D, right to speech and
sure
expression.
with it.
Yeah, lock
Okay.
it.
And your answer is very nicely for me and very unfortunately for you. It's
Huh?
wrong. The correct
Huh?
answer is right to speak, right to life and personal liberty.
This is the correct answer.
Yeah, this is the correct answer. You can't. Whatever happens, you can't take someone's life just like this, right? Right.
Yeah. Actually, I did not think
That's
about it.
why it was really easy.
But due to the pressure, what happens that easiest becomes the most difficult one.
Okay, so this was
Okay, so our match has come to an end, and now it's time for the results. Okay, so Vanshika, the results have come, and now I'll be telling you the results. Are you excited for the results?
I am. Who want to be Amiraj? Everybody.
Okay, now
is.
I'll tell you the points. So my points are 70.
Okay.
And your points are 70. So the match has been tied.
Oh my god! How can this happen?
So Vanshika, our match has been tied. First match and tie. I will tell you how. See, in the first level, I had 20 points. You had 10 points.
I had 10. Yeah.
So 20, 10. Then in the second level, I had 20 and you had 60. So my 10, 10. Okay, so 60 plus 10, 70. Yours and 20, 10, 10, 40. Then third level, I got 30. So 40, 30, 70. And you got 0. So 70. So 70, 70. And Paris, we got 9. Sorry, leave that. And now let's end this and let's say bye-bye to everyone. Bye-bye.
I can't believe we got a
Yeah.
tie. Okay, bye.
Even I cannot believe.